Joy-Con grip. Analog sticks are smaller than a traditional controller. Overall, the controller is comfortable and nice to use. Clicky face buttons are especially appealing. The main way we expect people to play with the console when it's stocked is by combining the two Joy-Cons together into a single controller. This is done by using the included Joy-Con grip, which the two sides slide into. We were initially concerned when it was revealed that the Joy-Con grip that comes with the console is unable to charge the two controllers. For that you'll need to buy the separate Joy-Con charging grip. This means that if you want to charge your controllers you'll need to plug them back into the console's screen. The Joy-Con's battery life is rated at 20 hours, so we'd be surprised if they ever run out of battery mid-game, but we'd be lying if we said that having to dismantle our controller after every play session wasn't annoying. A grip that charges the Joy-Cons is available, but this is sold separately. Aside from charging concerns, we were pleasantly surprised with how the controller feels when assembled in the grip. Although the analog sticks are a little small, we found them perfectly usable for lengthy Breath of the Wild play sessions, and the addition of a little more plastic massively helps the ergonomics of the controller as a whole. It's just a shame that the controller doesn't have a proper D-pad on its left side. As it stands, you're going to need to buy the Pro controller if you want that traditional Nintendo controller feel.